Meet the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Ring's claim is that it gives you a full head-to-toe view of anyone at your door, plus smarter motion alerts. But after testing it on my own home for over a week, I found there's more to the story. Some surprises Ring doesn't show you in the ads. So, is it worth your money? Let's dive in. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 Product Overview. Okay, so what are we really looking at here? The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is Ring's flagship wired smart doorbell released in early 2021. It's aimed at homeowners who want a high-end, always-powered security upgrade rather than a battery-powered option. Unlike many Ring models, the Pro 2 does not come with a battery, so you need existing doorbell wiring or be willing to run wiring. Its big selling points are a square head-to-toe view, 1536 by 1536 resolution, radar-based 3D motion detection, and integration with Alexa and the Ring ecosystem. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 Performance. Specs are neat, but how did it perform day to day? In my tests, I mounted it on my front porch and let it run as my main doorbell camera for over a week. First off, latency is excellent. When someone rings, I get an alert almost instantly, and the live view popped up immediately, no long buffering. That responsiveness is one of the advantages of a wired model, no battery to wake up. The Verge also noticed this speed advantage over battery models. The image quality is sharp. Thanks to the 1536p square capture, I could see visitors' faces and any packages on the ground. No need to angle things awkwardly. That's the point of the head-to-toe design. At night, the color night vision held up well. Objects and people remained identifiable rather than fuzzy silhouettes. Motion detection was mostly solid. The 3D motion sensor, radar plus PIR combo seemed better at ignoring false triggers like passing cars or tree branches. One surprise, the physical doorbell button feels a bit plasticky and with some play. Honestly, for a premium product priced around $250, I expected a more satisfying click. Several viewers echoed that. Overall, in everyday use, it delivers. You get crisp video, reliable alerts, and the feel of a serious wire-powered device. Features and tech. Let's dig into a few of the standout features, because features are only cool if they matter. Head-to-toe square 1x1 video, 1536 by 1536. This is a big shift from the usual 16x9 or ultra-wide formats. With the Pro 2, you see the full height of the frame, from head to toe and what's on the ground, packages, motion. No more awkward tweaks or blind spots. That's the point of the head-to-toe design. 3D motion detection plus bird's eye view. The doorbell uses radar plus PIR sensors to pinpoint where motion begins, distance, and direction. You also get a top-down bird's eye map overlaying the path someone walked. That's helpful if you want to see if they just walked past or approached your house. You can also define custom zones, for example, yard or walkway, so it doesn't alert you when vehicles pass. HD audio and quick replies or Alexa greetings. Audio is robust and clear, and with a Ring Protect plan, the built-in Alexa greetings lets you set automated messages. For example, leave it on the porch when you're away. Quick replies are also handy, predefined voice responses you can send without typing. Design and build. On the design front, Ring went for a sleeker, compact shell. The Pro 2 is slimmer than many concurrent battery models because it doesn't have to house a battery. The sides are gently curved, the entire backplate doubles as a heat sink to dissipate heat. The faceplate is durable and has a premium aesthetic, though fingerprints show up if your finish is shiny. The build feels solid overall, though I wish the Ring button felt a bit more premium, again, a little plasticky, rather than lighter than expected for its price. Mounting uses standard doorbell screw spacing, so upgrades from previous Pro models are relatively straightforward. Pros. Crisp head-to-toe video that captures both people and packages. Smart 3D motion plus bird's eye mapping helps reduce false alerts. Very responsive performance thanks to hardwired power. Good integration with Ring ecosystem and Alexa features. Cons. No battery option, wired only. Button feels a bit underwhelming for the price. Installation can be tricky in older homes with legacy chime wiring. Final verdict. So, who is this for? And is it worth the price tag? If you own your home or are okay doing some wiring work and you want a premium, always-on video doorbell that delivers strong visuals and smart alerts, the Pro 2 is one of the best options out there. Its head-to-toe capture and radar-powered motion system really stand out, especially if you've struggled with dead zones or alerts triggered by irrelevant motion.